There are 1,200,000,000 people in the world without access to electricity.
We are used to see everybody connected. We are used to see that the tariffs that people pay cover the cost of the services.
If you look at a village where there is no electricity, you understand that the school will have enormous obstacles to work, and the hospital will have problems, and the future is not seen.
And we firmly believe that it is necessary to think hard with the same principles that we have used for many years in the developed world, what applies in the developing world to provide access and to address this problem.
And we have tried to do this in the course, give an overall view with technicalities, different sides, and the frame that is provided by good regulation.
And well, we hope that you will join us in this course.